Ka Shillong Hyundai ka beri ka company de kali ka bahek bah po ka than East India. Sashi sian da ka jinkman kala pynbha pat ba ya ka jinkplay ka high Shopee. Ka beri ka jaka na ka bentaban ai jing shakri na ka bentaki kali Hyundai. Kuma ka jingle servicing bat kiwe. Ya ka ka high Shopee ka beri ka dukan la pli pat ba ha ka jinge don lang bat ka kenhun jong ka East Zone la po ka jinge lam. U Gopesh Gupta, u Zonal Parts and Service Head u Badrinath CU, Regional Sale Head u Angshu Mali Sarkar, Regional Parts and Services Head na ka Hyundai Motor India Limited ha Fire Brigade Shillong. Kajing play ka dukan ha Fire Brigade kalong kum shibenta ban pensok ikipat ba ki ba penan kami ki kali Hyundai, bakim don kam show ban lech ro sha mauyong rem na ka banta ban le iki servicing ya ki kali jongki, Henry ki la ban wan le ha ka jaka ya ka bala play pat ba ha ka khat nyaw tere u jamang arja arpulai.
Since this is the third in the entire country, but I think the concept itself is like for the customer the convenience. The most important thing is the convenience and quick service. So the customer walking in, you have all the other accessories at display. He has his own time, he has his own place to shop around. But a very good concept, and thank you very much. Proud to be associated with us.
This is one of the kind of the new concept which actually Shillong Hyundai adopted the same. And this is one of the new initiative which has been started by Shillong Hyundai. And again, as Adam told, this is for the convenience of the customers. We want our customers to come over here, relax in the lounge, and can have the cars get decorated like we go into the spa and get ourselves prepared. Like that, you can get your cars prepared over here by relaxing in the lounge. And you can get the accessories also installed in your vehicle by having relaxing in the customer lounge.
So I am quite proud to be a part of this journey from the very beginning, because I think it was just after COVID. That time, we gave this proposal to them, and then they adapted, and then they exceeded our expectation also, I must say. So thanks a lot, Mr. Katie and the team. And then this is really a nice setup which has come up in the heart of the city. And I wish you all the best and wish you all the prosperity in this business with this new concept of high Shopee.
With the company's support, we've brought facilities for the customers of Shillong, and it is through you all this message can go ahead to the customers and to the public of Shillong. Thank you for being here, taking out your precious time for our occasion. Thank you, all colleagues, friends, members of Shillong Hyundai, the Shillong Hyundai family, the Shillong Hyundai Shopee family. Thank you for being here, and we look forward that whatever has been done will be taken up in a serious manner and customer is addressed. We hope that our satisfaction level with Hyundai increases with this additional facility here. I haven't come prepared much, but well, okay, Hyundai would translate to Hyundai in Korea would translate as modernity in English. So Hyundai basically started off as a construction company. Thereafter it grew in all fields with that vision of modernity. And one of the first, the logos was new possibilities, new thinking, which has now been transferred and changed and growing every year, in all fields. If we got the opportunity to visit Korea once, and you see Hyundai is everywhere. They're in the banking sector, they're in the customer sector, they're all fields. It's not only vehicles, they're in the power sector, they're in the iron and steel industry. So it's a huge company which we feel as Shillong Hyundai to be very lucky to be associated with. We are very lucky that we are associated for the last 12 years with Hyundai Motors in Kyrwoh. And since then, we've been growing, we've been enjoying our association, and our brand in the Shillong market today has really increased as compared to what it was 12 years ago.